Hello everybody, welcome to InstaFollowers.co YouTube channel. Today we will show you how you can use our latest feature, Instagram Viewer. But first let me tell you what Instagram Viewer is. If you don't have an Instagram account, you can't view other people's posts. And that could be very frustrating, especially if you're very curious about someone else's profile. But with InstaFollowers.co's latest feature, Instagram Viewer, you no longer have to worry about that. So here's how to use it. All you have to do to be able to view other people's posts is to make sure that the profile you're about to check out is public and not private. Once you make sure, go ahead and proceed to the second step. All you have to do is enter your username or your Instagram photos link in the box. You can either do it by copying and pasting it or by manually typing it. Once you're done, hit download. After that, you'll be able to see everything you want. So what exactly makes Instagram Viewer so special? First, not everyone has an account on Instagram. Even if they do, stalking a profile while logged in could be dangerous. You may accidentally like a post or follow the profile, and that would blow your cover. Therefore, using the Instagram Viewer is the best option available. You can enjoy stalking a profile incognito while being completely safe. And that's all for now. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Till the next video, thank you for watching.